Think a brand new SUV means worry-free ownership? Think again. Some of the hottest 2025 and 2026 SUVs are hiding expensive engine failures, transmission problems, and recall nightmares behind their flashy designs. Based on consumer reports and real owner data, here are the 12 least reliable SUVs you should avoid. And trust me, you won't believe what's sitting at number 1. Number 12, 2025 Genesis GV70. Price, $49,000, $71,000. Consumer Reports Reliability Score, 31 out of 100. The Genesis GV70 looks like it belongs next to a BMW X3, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Audi Q5, and honestly, it drives like one too, at least until the warning lights show up. One of the biggest complaints involves the rear differential, where insufficient lubrication has caused premature wear, strange whining noises, and even multiple replacements before some owners reach 10,000 miles. That's not breaking in your SUV, that's rebuilding it. The electronics haven't helped either. Several owners reported the digital instrument cluster and infotainment display suddenly going completely black while driving. Imagine trying to guess your speed on the highway because your luxury SUV decided to take a coffee break. Add occasional throttle hesitation during low-speed turns, and it's easy to see why the GV70 scores only 31 out of 100 for reliability. Number 11, 2025 to 2026 Land Rover lineup. Price, around $50,000, $170,000 plus. Consumer Reports Reliability Score, 30 out of 100. Whether it's the Range Rover, Defender, Discovery, Velar, or Range Rover Sport, Land Rover builds some of the most luxurious and capable SUVs on Earth. Unfortunately, they also seem to believe the dealership should feel like a second home. The biggest culprit remains the air suspension system. Once those air springs begin leaking, the compressor works overtime until it eventually fails too. Suddenly, your luxury SUV starts leaning like it's had a long day at work. Electrical issues continue to haunt many models, with water intrusion damaging sensitive control modules and triggering endless warning lights. Add concerns over timing chain wear on certain engines and massive depreciation that can exceed $70,000 in 5 years, and ownership becomes a very expensive hobby. These SUVs can climb mountains, but sometimes getting out of the repair shop feels like the tougher expedition. Number 10. 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Tonale. Price, $42,000 to $58,000. Consumer Reports Reliability Score, 30 out of 100. If beauty alone determined reliability, Alfa Romeo would win every award. The Stelvio and Tonale are absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, electronics don't care how pretty a car is. The Stelvio has become known for electrical gremlins that can send the SUV into limp mode simply because the battery voltage drops slightly. Suddenly, every warning light appears, and the vehicle acts like the apocalypse has arrived, even though nothing major is actually broken. The newer Tonale plug-in hybrid adds software issues that can disable EV-only mode, meaning your expensive plug-in hybrid suddenly behaves like an ordinary gas SUV. Throw in excessive battery drain while parked, and some owners have found themselves jump-starting a luxury crossover that's practically brand new. Italian passion is wonderful until it's your mechanic who's feeling passionate about your repair bill. Number 9. 2025 to 2026 Ford Explorer and Expedition. Price, Explorer from $41,000, Expedition from $62,000. Consumer Reports Reliability Score, 30 out of 100. Ford's two biggest family SUVs offer impressive space, modern technology, and serious towing capability, but reliability has become their biggest weakness. The Explorer has been hit with recalls involving transmission software, capable of causing serious drivetrain issues, while certain engine defects have raised concerns about long-term durability. The larger Expedition continues battling 10-speed automatic transmission problems, rough shifting, and premature cam phaser wear on the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. Cold starts sometimes sound less like a luxury SUV and more like someone shaking a toolbox under the hood. Considering their price tags, buyers expect dependable family transportation, not surprise visits to the service lane. Number 8. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Price, $39,000, $60,000. Consumer Reports Reliability Score, 29 out of 100. The Jeep Grand Cherokee remains one of America's best-selling mid-size SUVs, but popularity doesn't always equal reliability. Owners continue reporting camshaft and lifter wear, cracked oil cooler housings, and electronic glitches. The 4xe plug-in hybrid has also faced major battery-related recalls, with some owners advised to park outside and avoid charging until repairs are completed. Imagine spending nearly $60,000 on a new SUV, only to be told not to keep it in your garage. That's not exactly the ownership experience Jeep had in mind. Number 7. 2025 Genesis GV80. Price, $57,700, $90,000. Consumer Reports reliability score, 29 out of 100. Genesis makes another appearance, and this one hurts even more. The flagship GV80 offers stunning luxury, premium materials, and impressive technology, but reliability concerns continue to overshadow the experience. A major recall involving the high-pressure fuel pump raised concerns over potential fuel leaks and fire risks, while electronic glitches and software problems have frustrated many owners. For a luxury SUV competing against the BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, and Lexus RX, buyers expect perfection, not repeated trips back to the dealership. The GV80 proves that looking expensive and being dependable aren't always the same thing. Stay tuned, because the top 6 SUVs are even more shocking. At number 6, Volkswagen Taos, starting price around $26,000 to $36,000. Consumer Reports reliability score, 29 out of 100. The Volkswagen Taos proves that looking premium and actually feeling dependable are two completely different things. It's one of Volkswagen's most affordable compact SUVs, but unfortunately, it also comes with a collection of frustrating problems. Owners have reported rear brake pads wearing out in as little as 13,000 miles. That's not routine maintenance. That's practically a subscription service for brake shops. Then there's the infamous hesitation issue. Press the accelerator while merging onto the highway, and sometimes the dual-clutch transmission pauses just long enough to make your heart rate spike. It's like the SUV quickly checks its calendar before deciding whether to accelerate. Add random electronic glitches, occasional key fob communication failures, and an infotainment system that seems to enjoy freezing at the worst possible moment, and it's easy to understand why reliability scores remain low. The Taos may look modern, but dependable? That's another conversation. Number 5, Jeep Wrangler, starting price, around $33,000 to $70,000. Consumer Reports reliability score, 26 out of 100. The Jeep Wrangler is an icon. It can climb mountains, cross rivers, and tackle trails that most SUVs wouldn't even look at. But when it comes to reliability, let's just say the adventure doesn't always stop off-road. The legendary death wobble continues to haunt some owners, creating violent steering vibrations after hitting bumps at highway speeds. Then there's the 4xe plug-in hybrid, which has faced multiple recalls related to battery fire risks. Jeep literally advised some owners to park outside and avoid charging until repairs were completed. That's probably not the ownership experience anyone imagined. Oil cooler leaks, water intrusion through removable roof panels, electrical gremlins, and premature suspension wear only add to the list. If your weekends involve rock crawling in Moab, you may forgive these issues. But if you're just driving to work every day, the Wrangler can become more high maintenance than your ex. Number 4, Mazda CX-90. Starting price, around $38,000, $58,000. Consumer Reports reliability score, 22 out of 100. This one genuinely shocked the automotive world. Mazda built its reputation on making some of the most reliable SUVs in America, so expectations for the all-new CX-90 were sky high. Instead, first-year buyers became unofficial beta testers. The biggest concern has been steering issues, with some owners reporting temporary steering resistance or binding while turning. Mazda issued recalls and software updates, but complaints continued, leading to additional investigations. Several owners also reported battery warning messages, software glitches, unexpected stalling, and extended dealership visits that lasted weeks. It's disappointing because underneath those problems is an SUV that's genuinely excellent to drive. The turbocharged inline-six engine, premium interior, and upscale design all feel worthy of luxury brands. Unfortunately, first-year reliability simply hasn't lived up to Mazda's usual standards. Sometimes waiting one model year really is the smartest option. Number 3. GMC Terrain. Starting price, around $30,000 to $40,000. Consumer Reports reliability score, 17 out of 100. The GMC Terrain looks like a practical family SUV, but reliability tells a different story. The push-button gear selector may look futuristic, but many owners complain it's slow to respond during quick maneuvers. That's one of those features that sounds cool in a marketing meeting, but feels less impressive when you're actually driving. The forward collision warning system has also frustrated owners with unexpected emergency braking, even when the road ahead is completely clear. Imagine your SUV randomly deciding you're about to hit an invisible pedestrian. That's not exactly confidence-inspiring. Throw in infotainment bugs, sensor failures during poor weather, and recurring electrical complaints, and the Terrain becomes one of the lowest-rated compact SUVs in Consumer Reports reliability rankings. Number 2. Chevrolet Equinox. Starting price, around $29,000 to $38,000. Consumer Reports reliability score, 17 out of 100. This may be the biggest surprise on today's list, because the Chevrolet Equinox is one of America's best-selling compact SUVs. It's affordable, practical, and everywhere. But popularity doesn't always equal reliability. One of the most expensive failures involves the vacuum pump, which can self-destruct internally and lead to catastrophic engine damage. That's the kind of repair bill that makes extended warranties suddenly sound like a fantastic investment. Owners have also reported throttle body failures, fuel pump issues, limp mode activation, rough shifting, and electrical glitches that leave them stranded without warning. Even simple maintenance can be frustrating. Replacing a headlight bulb often requires removing the front wheel and inner fender liner. Apparently, changing a bulb now requires an engineering degree. And finally, number 1. GMC Acadia. Starting price, around $43,800. Consumer Reports reliability score, 14 out of 100. Topping this list, and unfortunately not in a good way, is the GMC Acadia, earning one of the lowest reliability scores Consumer Reports has given any modern SUV. Multiple owners have reported transmission failures before 15,000 miles, including harsh shifting, slipping, delayed engagement, and complete gearbox failures. Then there's the highly publicized brake master cylinder issue, which has led to recalls, lawsuits, and owners reporting dangerously reduced braking performance. The biggest lesson from today's list is simple. A higher price tag doesn't automatically buy reliability. Fancy technology, massive touchscreens, and luxury badges might look impressive in the showroom, but long-term dependability is what saves you thousands of dollars and countless headaches years later. If this countdown helped you avoid an expensive mistake, make sure to subscribe for more and let everyone know in the comments which SUV surprised you the most on this list.